Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make buffalo chicken dip easy. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of cooked, shredded chicken, 1 8-ounce block of softened cream cheese, and 1/2 cup of your favorite buffalo wing sauce. These 3 items form the delicious base of our dip. Having them ready makes the process incredibly smooth and quick, ensuring a perfect blend of flavors. Now let's get to mixing. Make sure your 8-ounce block of cream cheese is softened. This is key for a smooth dip. In a large bowl, combine the softened cream cheese with 1/2 cup of buffalo sauce. Mix these two together until they are well blended and creamy. Then, fold in your 2 cups of shredded chicken. Stir everything until the chicken is evenly coated, creating a consistent and flavorful base. To elevate the flavor, let's add a couple more ingredients. Stir in 1/2 cup of blue cheese dressing. This adds a wonderful tang that complements the buffalo sauce perfectly. Next, fold in 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which will melt beautifully and add a rich, gooey texture. Once everything is combined, spread the mixture into a small baking dish. Bake it at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until bubbly. Your easy buffalo chicken dip is now ready to enjoy. Once it's out of the oven and bubbly, let it cool for a few minutes. Garnish with some fresh chopped green onions or a sprinkle of blue cheese crumbles for an extra touch. Serve it warm with your favorite dippers like celery sticks, carrot sticks, or sturdy tortilla chips. It's perfect for parties or a cozy night in. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.